Just want to welcome you here today. Thank you for coming along to the farewell tour. And just to say, we're going to do two numbers for you now. The first number is called Thunderstorm. It's performed by the male members of the troupe. It's an a cappella piece, and there's not much to be said about the number. It's all in the name. It's all to do with the sound of thunder, and that is represented on stage by the boys and their feet. The second number we're going to do for you is Riverdance, which is the piece from which everything that is on stage tonight sprang. It is a piece that represents the life cycle of a river, starting with rain falling on the hills, coming down the hills, gathering momentum and gathering volume as it heads towards the sea, and this is represented on stage by the dancers and the increasing numbers of dancers, finally finishing up with the Riverdance line representing the river at its widest point entering the sea. And we're going to do these two numbers back to back. There'll be a slight pause between them as some of the cast members have to do a quick costume change, and I hope you enjoy it. So first up is Thunderstorm. Thank you.
Thunder and lightning batter the rocks. The winds howl and great storms break on the forest, scatter the herds like grain. Fire leaps from dark to dark, fear and anger leap to meet it. We will not go down. We will not be beaten down like grain.